Hello there. In this video, we will show you how you can easily update your site logo. So you need to log into your WordPress admin panel, then visit Appearance, then Customize. From here, select Site Identity. Here you can upload a logo. So select Logo. Then you can choose an existing image from your media library like this one and then click select, or upload a new image. So click upload files, then select files and select a logo from your computer, then click open, then click select. And here if you want to resize your image, you can do so by here like this one or this one, or you can click skip cropping to use the original size. So I'm going to use that skip cropping, and here it is. And the same way you can upload your site icon. So select site icon here, then click upload file, then select, then Favicon and open and then select. And the same as before, I'm not resizing the image, so I will click here skip cropping and it is there. Okay, and once you are happy with your changes, be sure to click the publish button. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, as we will add videos that will help you to boost your site speed, security, and make more sales from your website. See you in next video.